Welcome, today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should go into the Gmail application, and after that click here on this icon, and now we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one of these accounts on the in our Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. How we can do that? Just click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that select one from these two accounts. For example, I can go with this one. Here we can see the remove account button. Click here, and after that confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now, as you can see, in Google account settings we stay only with one account, and now in application we can check and see that in application we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.